Good morning everyone. My name is Anurag Kumar and my presentation topic is email and MIME, and the presentation partners are Dheeraj Garg and Dipanshu. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about email and MIME. So, email was one of the first big reason so people start using the internet a lot. It led the people to send message to each other. It is faster than traditional postal mail. This made email and the internet very popular itself. Before we learn how email work, let's talk a quick look on how regular postal mail work and why email is better option. Imagine Ram wants to send message to Sam using postal mail. He write his message on a piece of paper and put into the envelope. On the letter he write on address as sender and Sam's address as receiver. Once it ready, drop into the mailbox. The postal system pick the letter and process it and send to the Sam's city finally. Finally, the letter reaches Sam's local post office, where it placed in his mailbox. Sam can open whenever he want. Email work similar way to postal mail, but it is much faster. If Ram wants to send a message to Sam, then he open his Gmail and write his message and enter his Gmail address and Sam's Gmail's address and sends. The message first go to the mail servers. The message first go to the mail server through the internet to Sam's mail server. The message waits in Sam's mail server until he open and read it. Unlike postal mail, which takes days to reach destination, email reaches the destination only a few seconds. So, in this way, email is time and cost efficient and it is a better option than postal mail.
Now let us understand the protocol used in email communication. SMTP sending. The first protocol is SMTP, which stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is used to send email from the sender to the mail server and between mail server. SMTP is a push protocol, which means it pushes the message from sender to receiver. It works over TCP, usually on port 25. POP3. The second protocol is POP3, which stands for Post Office Protocol version 3. It is used by the receiver to download email from the mail server. In POP3, once the mail is downloaded, it is usually deleted from the server. This means email are stored locally on the user device. IMAP. The third protocol is IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. Unlike POP3, IMAP allows user to access emails directly from the mail server without downloading them permanently. This means mails remain stored on the server and can be accessed from multiple devices. POP3 versus IMAP. Therefore, POP3 is suitable for single device usage, while IMAP is better for accessing email across multiple devices. These protocols work together to ensure smooth sending and receiving of emails over the internet.
Now let's start MIME. MIME stands for Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. It is a standard that allows email to support and send multimedia content such as images, audio, video, and attachments in addition to plain text. This diagram shows how MIME work in email communication. First, sender. First, the sender write an email which may contain text, images, audio, or files. Second one is user agent. Then the email goes to the user agent, which is the email application like Gmail or Outlook. It prepares the message for sending. Third one is MIME. Now MIME come into actions. MIME convert non-ASCII data like images, video or attachments into ASCII format. This is important because traditional email systems support only 7-bit ASCII data. Fourth one is message transfer agent. After encoding, the message is passed to the message transfer agent. MTA is responsible for sending the email over the internet. It ensures the message travels from sender to receiver. Now, receiver side message transfer agent. At the receiver side, the processor is reversed. First, MTA received the message and pass it to MIME. Next, MIME decoding. MIME decode the ASCII data back into its original format like images, video or file. Last 7th step is user agent. Finally, the user agent display the email correctly to the receiver. Next, receiver. So the receiver can see attachment in original form. MIME. MIME types define the type and format of the data being sent in an email or over the internet. Main types of MIME. First one is text. Text type is used for simple text data. Second one is image. Image type is used for picture and graphics. Third type is audio. Audio type is used for sound files. Fourth one is video. Video type is used for video files. Difference between email and MIME. Email. Email used to send text messages. Email support only ASCII text. Email has no encoding mechanism. Email cannot handle attachment. Email has basic communication system. Email has simple message format. MIME. MIME extends email to send multimedia. MIME supports images, audio, video, and files. MIME uses base 64 encoding. MIME allows attachments. MIME enhancement of email system. MIME multi-part message format. Conclusion of email and MIME. Email is used for sending text messages. MIME is an extension of email. MIME allows images, videos, and file of attachment. It uses base 64 encoding to send data. Email plus MIME make communication modern and efficient. Thank you for listening. Hope you understand the email and